That's why si John, sinabi niya na kanina, na before ako lumabas, you need to make sure the door is closed. Kasi, ang baho-baho sa labas. Nandito pa ako sa loob ng bahay, pero naaamoy ko na. Yung kapitbahay namin, nag-i-spray na naman sila ng slurry. Ang baho. Ang baho talaga. Ang slurry, I'm not so sure what it is. Pero I think tae yan ng mga hayop. Nilalagyan nila ng tubig. Yun, ini-spray. So, yung agenda natin ngayon is we need to trim this tree. Yan. Pipa, come here. Kasi nagbubush na kasi siya, oh. Sobrang bushy na niya.
Standing there, in back of that to do it. You driving?
Yeah, I'm driving. Yung slurry, maganda siya kasi it's or.
That's not slurry.
That's not slurry?
No, it's chicken.
Don't say it chicken.
All right.
It's a chicken poop.
Left-hand drive this that way.
So, where are we gonna put this? Down there?
Yeah.
Come on now. How can I drive this?
Yeah, how can you drive it? It's a tree.
There's no space for me. I need to turn around. Are you not coming with me? It's been a while and I haven't driven this.
Well, you can't go wrong with it.
You need to hold this. Still on?
It's ready. Go on, handbrake. Go on, I'll do it. You're not doing it.
Oh, that's...
Right, go on.
It's smoking.
So it will do. It's alright, won't hurt you. It's only a bit of tree. Too windy to burn it today. Pippi! Hello!
You need to show them that you cut the tree.
Yeah, I cut the tree, look. What? I have cut the tree. And this is the remainders of it here. Right, we'll drop this down there. Don't go on that, don't go on that, don't go on that. This little bird's injured, you know. It can't fly. What he's doing. Right, just reverse it to there. Right, go left hand down now. Left, left, left. Left, left, left. Stop. Press the tipper button, can you?
Huh?
The tipper button. See? We don't have to do the hard. Right up. Right, just go forward slowly. That's it, keep going slowly. Right, tip her down. Alright, Pippi. I cut the tree yesterday. The tree that blew down in the strong winds, if you go past it I'll show them. Watch Fifi. Right, as you can see this is the remainder. Right, I've kept the big stuff for firewood, but this is where the tree fell down. Yeah, we're looking. Okay, see over there? Yeah. And see where I've cut it up? Just the root left, I'll dig that out.
When did you cut it?
yesterday.
Yesterday.
I think it was yesterday. No, day before. Yeah, day before.
Where are we going now?
Back onto the garden.
Are we just gonna go there?
Yeah. Cold today. It's been so warm. How's your driving? You just always to pull to the camera. Brake on, engine off.
How to put the handbrake? It's not working.
Yeah, actually, you've gone too far really.
Oh, that's it. Am I too far? Too far away? Oh! Nag-jump si Pipa. Be careful, please.
I want you back, so come with me. Don't look back. I wanna show you the wonders of the universe, girl.
So what's next?
This one, bring this, park it there.
Okay. So we're gonna cut that off?
Back into the corner, which
Are we gonna cut that off?
oh, didn't we say we were going to?
I thought you saying that tree.
Oh, we'll just put that off as well.
Oh, I don't know, man.
Really?
Too big. I cannot drive while holding you.
Take my hand and you will see. We've got just one life, baby.
So ito yung ginagawa namin. We are debushing the tree.
So live it up, take it one day at a time.
Tingnan nyo yung difference. Oh my! Tingnan nyo si Phoebe. Pipa, come here. Tingnan niyo. Yes, Phoebe. Are you comfy there? She looks so tired. Well, itong si Pipa, sobrang lakas ng energy. Yan yung kapitbahay namin. Nag-i-spray sila. Nagpe-play fight sila, oh. So, yung kahoy, we're just gonna leave it like that. The plan talaga, puputulin namin siya. Pero, Jan suggests we just leave it like that at the moment. Kasi it looks okay naman, diba? At kawawa naman. Kawawa pag pinutol talaga. Mas ito, kailangan talaga itong putulin. Kasi, yan yung patay na kahoy.
Baby, shining like the stars you see above. I want it to be here by my side. My tropical
love. Ang lamig, mga loves. Compare today than yesterday. Today is colder. Ang fresh. So ngayon, we need to tidy here kasi sobrang daming mga maliliit na twigs, may mga leaves. Tumutulo yung sipon ko. That's it. It's clean. Yan. Yung lips ko, I cannot feel my lips. Ano na ba yung oras? Time is 11:32 ng umaga. So, magla-lunch tayo. Magla-lunch tayo. And later on, kailangan kong mag-study kasi meron na naman akong unit. Meron na naman akong assignment. So, my lunch is noodles.
Cheese?
No, I don't want cheese in my noodles.
No, you can have cheesy noodles.
I'm waiting for my toast. Ah! Ang init.
Not really.
Not ready. And later on, we need to peel this off kasi it smells sobrang hinog na niya. Smell it. So we need to eat it.
Smells like a pineapple.
So sa hapunan natin ngayon, we're having beef stew. Marami-rami ito ha. Yung weight niya is 700 grams. Once our meat is brown, we will add a beef cubes. Ito na, brown na yung meat natin. So, i-add na natin to. Madami akong nilagay na liquid kasi maaga pa naman dito. Ano pa dito? 2:30 ng hapon. So, we're still early. Pero gusto ko kasi na maging tender talaga yung meat natin. I am hoping that this pineapple is good. Mabango naman siya. Kasi minsan kasi, pag bumibili ako ng pineapple sa supermarket, ganito na yung kulay niya pero sa loob, hindi pa din siya yellow. It's still white. But actually, this one is yellow, but I think it's overripe. Kasi dito sa bottom, parang, yeah, it's a bruise. Let's see.
You and I, exploring hidden caves or surfing waves into the night on the beach.
Sa mga tao pa lang nagtatanong kung bakit daw may pasok pa ako. May pasok pa ako kasi if you don't know, nabanggit ko naman talaga tong trabaho ko. I am a caregiver po. Nagtatrabaho ako sa isang care home. Nag-aalaga ako ng mga tao, ng mga matatanda, may edad. So ngayon mga palangga, kasi may pineapple tayo, gagawa tayo ng pineapple upside down. And yung pineapple na gagamitin ko, itong pineapple na ito, hindi in can. Meron naman akong pineapple in can, pero hindi ko muna sila gagamitin. Ito lang yung gagamitin ko. And tinikman ko siya, and may pagkamaasim yung ating pineapple. So yung gagawin ko, isusok ko muna sila sa sugar. Kapakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung gagawin ko. Napansin ko yung pineapple natin, yung core niya, ano pa talaga, it's hard. Hindi siya soft. Right. So dito, meron akong boiling water. Konting mainit na tubig lang. And we need sugar. Yan. So, kailangan na nating maghintay until yung sugar ma-dissolve siya. And once na ma-dissolve yung water, yung sugar, mag-a-add tayo ng cold water. Yan na, dissolve na yung sugar. So, mag-a-add tayo ng water. Yan. And then, ilalagay natin yung pineapple natin dito. So, para naman hindi masyadong maasim yung pineapple natin. So, yun yung gagawin natin. Isusok natin sila. Pero kukunan muna natin sila ng core bago natin sila isok. May pagka-hassle yung procedure, pero kung gusto mo ng pineapple upside down, then dahil magsipag ka. So, kanina, nung kinakat ko yung pineapple ko, I wasn't thinking to have a pineapple upside down. So, at first, yung pag-cut ko is ganito talaga. This is how I cut my pineapple, and I want to dip it in salt. Pero, and then, na-realize ko, ay, magpa-pineapple upside down ako. So, naging ganito yung hiwa ko. Ito na. Yan. Hindi ko uubusin yung pineapple natin. That's more than enough. And yung natira, I will dip it in salt. Ganun ako. Yung pineapple ko, dinidip ko siya sa salt. Like, sa mangga din, dinidip ko yung mangga ko sa salt. Ang sarap. Or bagoong. Yung mangga ha, dinidip ko yung mangga sa bagoong, toyo, at suka, kung ano-ano pa. Nakakamiss yung mangga sa Pilipinas. Na-realize ko mga loves kasi yung recipe na ipa-follow natin is the beer book, and yung cake natin para sa ating pineapple upside down is ipa-follow ko yung Victoria's sandwich na recipe, and na-realize ko wala pala akong castor sugar, pero sinerge ko naman. Ito na naman tayo, di ba? Can I use granulated sugar instead of castor sugar? Yes, while castor sugar and granulated sugar are not exactly the same, they can be swapped to 1-to-1 in baking recipe. Castor sugar is slightly finer and dissolves more easily. But in my experience, this doesn't affect most baking recipe. And sa other research ko naman, sabi dito na kung gagamitin mo yung granulated sugar, yung cake mo is not as airy than using a castor sugar. Pero yun na nga, wala tayong castor sugar kasi last time na nag-grocery tayo, naalala ko na bumili ng castor sugar pero walang castor sugar. So, unfortunately, wala tayong nabili. So, anyway, we'll take the risk. So, baking must go on kahit wala tayong castor sugar. So, inspired na lang talaga to kasi wala tayong mga ingredients sa ating Victoria's sandwich. So, hopefully, it will be okay. Yan. So, i-measure ko muna yung mga ingredients natin.
Beaches of Hawaii, drinks in Ibiza, anywhere you wanna go, baby, you just let me know. Sunny Indonesia.
I am making a pineapple upside down.
Trying to get me fat, I can tell.
No. Right, we'll start our baking process. I hope this time it will not be as messy as last time, because last time, as you can see, I did bake when was that? Jen's birthday. Naku, icing sugar all over.
Have you finished with this prayer?
Yes.
Right, well, when you finish with them, put them in the...
I know, Han.
Right, so remember.
Don't say no. Sipping on tequila.
So, nung time pala na... So last time pala na nag-bake ako, sabi ng iba na hinaan mo yung temperature or not temperature, speed ng hand mixer mo. Ipapakita ko lang sa inyo. Yung settings ng hand mixer is only common focus. Yan, 0, 1, 2, 3. At yung ginamit ko last time is 1 talaga and sobrang lakas niya. Yung icing sugar is everywhere talaga. But it's a learning process. Bag.
Anything you wanna see, be there in a heartbeat. Just say the words and we can go.
So, ito na yung mixture natin. Yan na. So, ngayon naman, i-arrange natin yung ating pineapple. Titikman ko lang kung matamis ba siya or hindi. Matamis siya.
We've got just one life, babe.
Wala akong cherry mga palangga, so yan lang muna.
Baby, so live it up, take it one day at a time. Keep it shine.
Yan na. So, ilalagay na natin to sa oven for 30 to 45 minutes. Four o'clock na dito mga palangga. And yung beef natin is doing well. And yung beef casserole natin, maglalagay tayo ng dumplings. Yan. Kasi si Mr. every time na nagbi-beef casserole ako, palagi niyang pinaparanig sa akin na mas masarap daw ang beef casserole pag may dumplings. Hindi niya alam na mag-a-add tayo ng dumplings. So, this will be a surprise. Wow! Tingnan niyo yan. So, ngayon mga loves, maglalagay tayo ng seasoning sa ating beef casserole. So, maglalagay tayo ng basil, paprika, parsley, rosemary, oregano, cayenne pepper. Oh, we need, what do you call this? Onion powder, and lastly, where is our pepper? Yeah, pepper. Ito. So, ito lahat yung pang-seasoning natin. So, tansya-tansya na lang, kayo na ang bahala. And of course, nakalimutan ko i-mention, kailangan natin ng salt. So, John wants a garlic bread, but I told him, never mind the garlic bread, because we have a surprise. Right, honeybee? Open your eyes. Now open that one.
This?
Yeah?
Dumpling.
Yeah? You like your dumplings?
Yeah.
So that's why we don't need a garlic
Don't you
bread.
love garlic?
No. That's too much, sweetheart. So, almost ready na yung tea natin. Si Jan nanonood ng news. Yung pineapple upside down natin, hindi pa din siya luto. Tingnan nyo yung pineapple upside down natin. I-check ko muna siya. Hindi pa siya luto sa gitna. So, kailangan natin siyang ibalik. Ito. So, this is John's plate. Tingnan nyo yung dumplings. Yan. Yan. Sensyahan nyo na. We don't do plating in our house. Shh. Right. We need to check again. I need 2 hands. It's heavy. Luto na siya, mga loves. So, ito na yung finished product natin. Oh, I'm so proud of that. Ang ganda ng result. Yan, oh. Diba? Maganda. Sobrang even niya. We're finished our tea and I'm making a custard. And John is cleaning the kitchen. So, yung... No, don't say that. So, yung pineapple upside down natin, hindi siya magiging upside down. It will stay as it is, like this.
So, it's the right side of the cake.
Yeah, right side. What is it?
Right side up cake.
Right side up cake. Ang laki kasi ng ginawa ko. But it's alright. Yung bottom, hindi nyo makikita. Pero it looks good. Wow! So, ito yung cake natin. Yung custard is ready. There you go. Perfect. Pour na natin dito. Can you see me? It looks so dark from here. Yeah, nag-adjust na siya. So, as you can see, we have a lot here. So, I'm not sure if pineapple upside down cake is suitable for freezing, but that's what I'll be doing. Ilalagay ko siya sa freezer. So, ito, hahatiin ko siya into 3 strips kasi kanina, our portion kanina, I find it too big. So, yung dalawang strip, i-freeze natin siya, and then yung isa, we will leave it for tomorrow. But first, tingnan natin. Ay, akala ko. Hindi. Now, try again. Yung bottom niya yung nakastick. Hindi yung gilid niya. Hindi lang ako sure dito kasi may pineapple kasi. Pero, we'll try. Kung yung pineapple upside down ng cake, pwede ba siyang i-freezer. Lalagyan ko lang siya ng date para malaman natin kung kailan natin siya nilagay. And then, kung kailan natin dapat kainin. So, anyway mga palangga, ito na yung vlog natin for today. Maraming salamat talaga sa walang sawang suporta. Please, mag-ingat po tayo lahat. Keep praying for others, for everyone's safety. I hope talaga na, matapos na to. Kasi, nakakatakot yung mga pangyayari, mga palangga. So, I'll see you in my next vlog. Please do take care. Please po, mag-ingat po tayo lahat. And I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye! Mwah! Mwah!